Ladies and gentlemen, I am Cheng will lead this 1976 Seveso disaster analysis. Carla emphasizes the causes, Philby effect the conclusions. Unfold on July 10 in Seveso, Lombardy, Italy, at the ICMESA plant, where a reactions mishap during the herbicide production resulting in a release of highly toxic 2378 tetrachlorodibenzoyl. Remarkably, no immediate human casualty were reported, but 3,300 animals were perished. On the July 9, 1976, a reaction started, releasing toxic fumes. The next day, the reaction completed, but due to the Italian law, the plant shut down, causing a leak. 5 days later, the decommissioning was confirmed. The local government was informed the day after. The evacuation's order to be issued 11 days after the incident.
Technique conducting investigation operative procedure including inadequate venting for exothermic reaction control system, product testing for exothermic reaction and runaway reaction potential. The device for collecting and destroying toxic material during venting secondary contaminant failed to use recommended transport and emergency response pre-control is poor due to the inadequate safety management. Analysis of catastrophic accident involve even cost collection, dynamic analysis, preventive measure, and safety management system creation using Informal model and CR method. Informal model is a system model that estimates injury, dynamic accident, energy transfer, focusing on detecting and investigating the dangers of the energy produced and transferred during an incident. Model record various information about safety problem, standard risk assessment document, and state of process factors. Hazard effect based on the work of James Reason using Swiss barrier failure model.
So now we will look at the map where the Seveso disaster has impacted. The darkest shade, which is the Zone A, has the highest TCDD content in the soil, which is above 50 micrograms per square meter. Zone B, which is the second darkest shade, has the TCDD soil content between 5 to 50 micrograms per square meter. And finally, Zone R has TCDD soil concentration of lower than 5 micrograms per square meter. Within days, a number of animals, mostly poultry and rabbit, were found dead. By the end of August, people in Zone A has been completely evacuated. Due to that, ICMESA was completely shut down, and the industrial safety regulation was passed in the European Community in 1982 called Seveso Directive. The purpose is so to set up a proper procedure to ensure major hazards are prevented and consequences are mitigated.